Hi guys, welcome back to our channel QR Lifestyle.
Let's go. Are you ready?
So here we are all set to explore Bikaner. We are going for a 3-day trip, and yeah, we started our journey and it took almost 22 hours, and the next morning we got down on the Bikaner station.
We have arrived at Bikaner station.
यहाँ से हमारा ट्रिप स्टार्ट हो रहा है.
Yes, hopefully बहुत अच्छा होने वाला है.
Yes.
We want to explore everything. So yeah, let's
And
go.
we'll keep you guys posted
Yeah.
for it.
Come along with us.
चलो.
It's a family trip. So we just took a local rickshaw because we have booked an Airbnb and it is 15-20 minutes away from the main city. So we are just driving over there and reached our destination.
Hi guys, so we have reached Bikaner और हम हमारे Airbnb में आए हैं. We have booked a bungalow for 3 days. We are here for 3 days. So I'll just give you the tour. Let's go.
So this is our bungalow. It is very huge, and this is the colony in which the bungalow is situated. So yeah, it is very big, spacious, and at most it has a very good hospitality by the owner. So this is the main entry.
So this is the entry. It's a huge living room, very clean space, a little library. Hi. So यहाँ पे थोड़ा मंदिर एरिया है. ये डाइनिंग एरिया. दिस इज द किचन. और यहाँ पे सब स्नैक्स पार्टी चल रही है. हाय मम्मी.
हाय.
कैसा लग रहा है?
बहुत मजा आ रहा है.
ये एक सिटिंग एरिया एंड दिस इज वन रूम. इट्स वेरी ह्यूज, वेरी स्पेशियस. एंड दूसरा रूम ऊपर है. कम आई टेक यू. छोटे छोटे एलिमेंट्स लगाए to bring the feel of Rajasthan. I love it. So yeah, this is the second room. Basically it will be our room. Amazing bed, a little balcony, little cute balcony. So yeah, washrooms are also very neat and clean. And वो थोड़ा स्टोर एरिया है. I don't know what. एक staircase ऊपर भी जा रही है towards terrace, I guess. Right, terrace है ये. So yeah, this is our stay and we'll be staying here for 3 days. फिलहाल तो प्लान ये है कि फ्रेशन अप होना है पहले, because almost 24 hours की जर्नी हो गई है and we are like hell tired. So थोड़ा फ्रेशन अप होते हैं. प्लान ऐसा है जूनागढ़ फोर्ट एक्सप्लोर करना है. उसके बाद 2 जैन टेम्पल है यहाँ पे वेरी फेमस, तो वहाँ जाएंगे. देन थोड़ा मार्केट एरिया एक्सप्लोर करेंगे. लेट्स कम अलॉन्ग विद अस एंड एक्सप्लोर बीकानेर. तब तक हम फ्रेश हो जाते हैं एंड देन टेक यू अलॉन्ग.
So we left for Junagadh Fort. यहाँ पे सब जगह आप लोकली इजीली पहुँच सकते हो.
This is the entry of the fort.
So yeah, ticket you'll get inside.
So yeah, being all touristy.
So यहाँ पे टिकट्स मिलती है और यहाँ से एंट्री है टुवर्ड्स द फोर्ट. स्लाइट क्लाइंबिंग है एंड कहते हैं यहाँ पे 33 महल्स बनाए हैं सब राजा ने मिलके. सो दैट वे इट इज़ यूनिक इन इटसेल्फ. So gorgeous. So the guide was giving us the tour of each and everything and हम यहाँ पे ऊपर पहुँच गए हैं. यहाँ पे ऊपर और एक जगह है but it is closed as of now. So yeah, this is the beautiful view of around the fort. And this is the Sabha area. Just look at the intrigue design on the wall. Like how beautiful. So बहुत सारी चीज़ें थी. We almost spent like 3 hours in the fort. And this is the aeroplane which was gifted to the Raja by Britishers. ये World War I का aeroplane था. And यहाँ पे inside एक म्यूज़ियम भी है जहाँ पे आपको क्रॉकरी से लेकर क्लोथ्स लाइक सब कुछ देखने मिलेगा. So it is a must visit place in Bikaner. After being there, we left. यहाँ पे हमने बहुत अच्छे पिक्चर्स खिंचवाए. You can follow me on my Instagram handle. It is given below in the description. You will be able to see amazing posts. Then we just went to 2 Jain temples which is Dadawadi and Bhandasar Jain temple. वैसे तो बीकानेर में 27 Jain temples है but हम सिर्फ 2 ही जा पाए. उसके बाद वी वेंट टू एक्सप्लोर द मार्केट सिटी कि यहाँ पे क्या मार्केट है, क्या लोकल फूड है. वैसे तो बीकानेर में स्वीट्स एंड बीकानेरी भुजिया बहुत फेमस है तो हमने थोड़ा स्नैक्स भी खाया. वी हैड सम कचौरीज, मिर्ची भजिया एंड राज कचौड़ी. सो दैट वाज इट फॉर द डे एंड इट वाज day 2. We woke up and we here rented a car with the help of the owner of the Airbnb. Today's plan was to visit Karni Mata temple. It is the most famous temple. It is well worshipped from around the world. It has the most unique worshippers which are mouse. It has about 25,000 mouse in the temple. So दर्शन हो गए बहुत अच्छे से and it was time for lunch. We were hungry so we found a good dhaba roadside and we had some yummy food over there.
So guys, we already reached Camel Research Center.
So this is the camel museum. First enter होते से it has all the things made from camel hair, skin and also यहाँ पे किसी कैमल को मारा नहीं जाता to make this, but already जो dead camels होते हैं उनसे सब चीज़ें बनाई जाती है. There are 4 breeds of camel. Everything was explained to us very well and yeah, this is the shop where you can also buy things if you want. We don't use such things. We haven't bought us anything.
We have already visited camel farm. यहाँ पे सब कुछ देख लिया है. Camel farm and all, सब कैसे राइड करवाते हैं, उनको क्या खिलाते हैं and all. Also यहाँ पे camel milk we can taste it in the form of ice cream, milk, coffee and all. So we're just going to try camel milk ice cream and camel milk. So let's see how does it taste. Let's go. It's nice.
Cheers.
Yeah.
This is camel lassi. So let's taste it. कुल्फी तो बहुत टेस्टी थी. खट्टा. I don't like it.
So yeah, we rested a little bit, came back to our hotel after the camel farm, and now we're going towards Raisa Desert camping. So it's a desert and they have some activities. So let's go there and see how it goes. So yeah, let's go.
So it was about 20 minutes away from our stay, and this Raisa Desert Camp is a man-made desert. It is all built by us. It is not natural desert, but it is quite good for a view. So yeah, we did some camel ride, and the ATV ride was closed over there as of now. So we enjoyed the sunset over there.
So day 3 starts. We are leaving for Lalgarh Palace, and then there is a plan to watch movies, but I don't know how will it go. So yeah, today's plan is to go Lalgarh Palace, Devi Kund and Kolayat, if I'm not wrong. So yeah, let's go, come along. Day 3, let's explore in Bikaner. I guess today is the last day and we're leaving tomorrow early morning. So we have to like explore every bit of Bikaner today. So let's go.
So we left, but first we are going to a hidden place because it was not in our itinerary. We just found this place on our way yesterday. It is a replica of Vaishno Devi temple. It is so well made and so beautiful. It is a perfect replica of the Vaishno Devi temple over there. बहुत सुंदर मंदिर बनाया है. इनफैक्ट यहाँ पे गुफा भी वैसे ही बनाई गई है जैसे वैष्णो देवी मंदिर में है. आशीर्वाद दे दो बाबा.
Lalgarh Palace. Enjoying Umang?
Yeah.
Last day in Bikaner. Yeah.
बहुत मजा लिया.
बहुत मजा लिया. Every bit and corner almost explore तो कर लिया.
Yes.
And यहाँ पे भी उमंग ने ड्राइविंग का मजा ले लिया.
There's a museum in Lalgarh Palace also, so we have visited that as well. It is very informative museum about the king who have built Lalgarh Palace. So it's all about the history and how it has been built about the palace.
Done visiting Lalgarh Palace. So now we are here at a cinema, a Carnival Cinema Theatre. It's here in Bikaner and we are watching Suryavanshi in Bikaner. I can't believe. So let's go and have a look. कैसी है मूवी? मुंबई में तो देखी नहीं है. So yeah, यहाँ पे देख लेते हैं. Because थोड़ा टाइम था and शाम को maybe let's see explore the market again or जो भी souvenir stuff लेना है वो ले लेंगे.
So we watched the movie and we visited a cafe where the famous drink of that cafe is called Gabagab. It is made of banana and ice cream. So we had that and then we headed towards the market to buy all the bhujia and stuff. After that we went to explore some more street food behind the wall of Junagadh Fort. It is the backside of that fort. They have some famous pani puris and chaat. So it's the next day, early in the morning we left. We have a train to catch. So this is a beautiful Bikaner station. And also I need to show you this. There is this record, the person who has made the biggest pagdi and the smallest pagdi. It was placed on the station.
So our tour is getting over here.
Finally home.
Yeah, heading to Mumbai.
4 दिन का सफर रहा.
बहुत अच्छा था. It was very nice. बीकानेर बहुत अच्छा. Please आइए घूमिए and
Airbnb पे will share the link.
yes.
कहाँ हम रुके थे.
Yes, yes. The hospitality of that place is super awesome. So we'll surely recommend everybody to stay here. And if you liked our video so far and you're like watching this vlog so far, then thank you so much. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.